Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an after dark. I did not get my cleaning routine done earlier on in the night like I usually do, and so I'm going to be doing it very late tonight, but we are going to be just kind of cleaning up the main living area, and then I'm also going to be heading downstairs to our basement to do some cleaning down there as well. I feel like our basement is now our messiest area in the house, but the boys are asleep and Kyle is home right now, so he is actually going to be helping me do this. We do this a lot together if he is home, but we are going to do that tonight and hopefully give you guys tons of cleaning motivation. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so I'm going to get my hair pulled up and we are going to get this place nice and clean. So as I had mentioned, Kyle was home on this night, and when he is home, we will often clean up together, but he had ran down to help one of the boys who had woken up, so I just went ahead and started without him. But usually when I start my nighttime cleaning routine, I will start out in the kitchen, and I do that for a few reasons. One, because it is typically the messiest room in our entire house, especially after a long day, and so I just kind of want to get that done first. And another reason I start in my kitchen is because for some reason it really motivates me to keep going, and when I see one space transform from super messy to nice and clean, it just kind of motivates me a lot. Now, over the past several months, I feel like my cleaning routines have changed so much. Some I've even struggled with keeping up with them at all, but one routine that I always keep in place is my nighttime routine. It's my time to tidy our house in peace while our boys are sleeping, and also it lets me start out with a clean slate the next day. So once I get our kitchen counters tidy and cleared off, I always load up our dishwasher and run it as well. You'll have to let me know what is the most crucial part of your nighttime routine if you have a nighttime cleaning routine. If I am only to get one thing done every single night, it will be my dishes, and that way I can wake up the next day with an empty and clean sink and also clean dishes for breakfast.
But now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. Around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you.
Also, I just wanted to mention that we are so incredibly close to reaching 200,000 subscribers on this channel. I cannot believe that, but I'm already starting to plan on the giveaway, so you guys will have to let me know what you would love to see for a prize. So far, I'm kind of thinking of either a new vacuum or a box of just like all of my favorite things. I will just load it up for you guys, but let me know which one you would prefer, or if you guys have another idea, leave that in the comments as well. And then I've also gotten a bit behind on my vlog channel giveaway, but I'm kind of putting that together and hoping to get that totally set up for the next few weeks. So be sure that you're subscribed to both this channel and our vlog channel so you don't miss out on those.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. much I love you. I put your favorite
So here I'm just putting my dish station back together, and I get all of these items from Grove Collaborative. That's where I get most all of my cleaning products, so I will leave a link down below for some free cleaning goodies if you guys have not ordered from them before. I love ordering all of my stuff from them, and I've also shared several Grove Collaborative hauls on my channel if you're interested in seeing other items that they carry.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment.
As you can see, Kyle had finished up with the boys downstairs, so he came up and I just started emptying off the table and putting things from the table away, and he just started wiping down our counters. So I was talking to Kyle as we were cleaning on this night because there are so many things that, even though he does help me around the house a lot, there are just so many things that I clean very differently than he does, or like the way I put the pillows up, or just lots of different things. Like for example, I would have always wiped on these chairs and he did not even think to do that, which is totally fine. There's not necessarily a right or wrong way to do things, it's just different. But I was asking him if he would be interested in doing like a guy's cleaning routine, or just like how he would go about cleaning things, and he said he would if you guys were interested. So let me know if you guys are interested in just like a total video of him doing the cleaning and seeing like how different it would be versus me doing the cleaning. Let me know if you guys are interested in that, and if so, I will definitely have him do that for you guys. I just thought that would be really different and kind of fun.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
You put them on like these ones are sideways.
No, that's their pillows.
You make me nervous.
Look at loops in my shoe, Kyle. They're like the same size. Oh my gosh. He's in 3rd grade.
You like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. Tonight. So just sit.
So next we moved into Kyle's office. This is not something that gets cleaned every single night, but as you can see, it was a bit of a mess. And so we just wanted to kind of tackle this space and get it looking nice and clean. But we have found that Kyle's office is having the same issue as when this was my office. It just becomes the biggest catch-all area, and I do not know what to do with this or like how to figure this out. So if you guys have any tips for your front room or areas not being the biggest catch-all in your house, let me know. I would love any suggestions from you guys.
I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so
I don't know if you saw that video, but I did do a big makeover on Kyle's office a few months back, and it was honestly pretty challenging to make this be kind of like a more masculine space, but I really loved how everything turned out, and I'm also super excited to be sharing next week. I will be sharing a refresh and kind of like a smaller scale makeover on our master bedroom. I cannot wait to share that video with you guys. I'm going to be filming it this week, and I can't wait to see how everything turns out. So definitely stay tuned for that one.
trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
Once we tidied up the kitchen, dining, and living room, we closed the blinds, and I've always just had only blinds in our main living areas, and I usually don't have curtains except in maybe a few bedrooms, but I would love to know your thoughts on if you think this space would look best with curtains and blinds, or just blinds like we have it now. I will leave a poll up here in the iCards, and if you have specific ideas, you can of course leave them in the comments. I would love to hear them. You guys know I'm always up to hear y'all's ideas and tips. I've incorporated several of them into my different routines and into my decor ideas, so I just always love getting y'all's input. But anyway, next we tackled the floors. We don't mop every single night, but our floors definitely needed them on this night, and since Kyle was home, I figured it would be a good opportunity to get them cleaned together.
Hey, I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. I wish it didn't have to end, but life is what it is and I will try to mend. Though I'm kinda hoping that you feel the same as I do right now, right now. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Is this how it's supposed to be? Cause breaking up with you has got the best of me. I just wanna live inside my memories, so I'll be with you, with you. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, look into your eyes. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, close. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Ooh. Hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends.
Once the upstairs was all cleaned up, we both moved down to the basement. Now usually our three boys will help tidy up down here because a lot of the mess is from their toys, especially now that all three of their bedrooms are downstairs. But on this particular night, we had kind of lost track of time and just needed to get them to bed quickly, so we just got them right to bed and didn't have them help clean tonight. And then Kyle and I just got all the toys put away quickly and did a quick vacuum. And I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering like why we are vacuuming so late at night, but all of our boys are actually really good sleepers now, so I wasn't super concerned about having them wake up. We have been really lucky that all of them are pretty good sleepers, especially when they sleep together all in one bed. And honestly, I totally feel like the reason that they are heavy sleepers is because they shared a room for so long. And even now that they have their own rooms, they still choose to sleep all in one bed together. But every time that they sleep apart, I feel like they are not as good sleepers. And every time they sleep in one bed together, they all just seem to sleep straight through the night. But I'm curious if your little ones are heavy sleepers or super light sleepers. And also, if they are good sleepers, do they share a room or are they in their own room?
through this whole section. But you know why? Dead.
Oh, it ran out.
Sure did.
The Dyson vacuum actually just died because you have to go on full power, and it's the Dyson V8. So I usually didn't have that problem upstairs because we were able to go on just like the hard floor, which doesn't take as much battery. Also, Kyle's kind of a slower vacuumer. But I thought this would be kind of interesting to use my new Shark vacuum to see if it picks up anything. I'm just gonna go over like the whole space and see if it actually pulls up anything else that the Dyson missed. So we have to do this section of the floor anyway, since the other vacuum died. So we might as well just go over this section again that he just vacuumed and see if the Shark actually pulls up a lot more, especially now that like in my last video, I just cleaned the Dyson vacuum, completely pulled it apart and cleaned it all. And so it's gonna be interesting to see now that it's like kind of back to normal, back to new, not quite new, but you know, close, if this actually works better. So get to vacuuming. Just vacuumed pretty much the only areas that Kyle vacuumed, because he didn't get this area back here yet, but it did pick up some. But I'm pretty impressed that the Dyson got like all of that. I don't feel like it picked up too much. I feel like I'm gonna try this in my bedroom because my bedroom is always our dirtiest because that is where our 2 cats are and our dog is, and so that will be like the really good way to check to see like if this one actually is stronger, if it just feels stronger. It did pull up all of that though, which I guess is kind of a lot for like, since he just vacuumed it. I feel like it's really hard to see. So it did pull up all of this just from like that area over there and pretty much right here. So I guess that is kind of a lot, just since he just vacuumed it. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try this out in my bedroom and see if it makes a huge difference. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation and some inspiration and ideas on ways that you can incorporate this into your own cleaning routine. And I will be sharing all of my new cleaning routines in the next month or so. So be sure to subscribe if you are not already so you don't miss out on those. I hope you have the most amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Hey, I'm Garrett, that's subscribed to me on YouTube Monkey. Make sure to hit that like button and ring the bell.